Join us for an extraordinary journey through time as we unveil the hidden secrets of ancient temples and pyramids that are perfectly aligned with the stars and solstices. Prepare to be amazed by the incredible accuracy of these alignments and the profound implications they hold for our understanding of ancient civilizations. The Great Pyramid of Giza is undoubtedly the most iconic structure from the ancient world. Many archaeologists and historians have dismissed it as a mere coincidence, while others believe that it was intentional. Those who believe that the alignment was intentional argue that the ancient Egyptians possessed a deep understanding of astronomy, and that they built the pyramid as a tomb for their greatest pharaoh, and that there is no evidence to suggest that the ancient Egyptians deliberately aligned the pyramid with the North Star. It is a testament to the ingenuity and skill of the ancient Egyptians, and it continues to fascinate people from all over the world. In Peru, there is the site, which has several structures that are perfectly aligned with the solstices. The temple was built in the 12th century, and it was once a major religious center for the Khmer people. It is possible that these cultures were in contact with each other, and that they shared their knowledge of the universe and the laws of nature. This theory is supported by the fact that many of these structures are aligned with the same astronomical phenomena, such as the solstices and the North Star. It is as if the ancient builders were using the stars as a guide to help them create these amazing structures. From the Great Pyramid of Giza to the site, these structures are testaments to the ingenuity and skill of ancient cultures. The alignments found at these sites suggest that ancient cultures had a deeper understanding of astronomy and sacred geometry than previously thought. Click the link in the description to access exclusive content that will deepen your understanding of the topics covered in this video. Do I miss out on this opportunity to expand your knowledge? And join the ranks of those who are pushing the boundaries of human understanding. So click the link now and start exploring the endless possibilities that await you. It is possible that these cultures were in contact with each other and that they shared their knowledge of the universe and the laws of nature. Some people believe that there was a universal sacred science that was known by ancient cultures around the world. This ancient science would have encompassed knowledge of astronomy, sacred geometry, and the properties of the universe. By studying ancient texts and monuments, we can gain a deeper understanding of the universe and our place in it. Today, it is a popular tourist destination and one of the most important archaeological sites in Cambodia. We hope that you have been as amazed by these ancient structures as we have been. And if you have any thoughts or ideas about these amazing sites, please share them with us in the comments below. We would love to hear your thoughts on the possibility of a universal sacred science and the ancient cultures that may have known it. This ancient science would have encompassed knowledge of astronomy, sacred geometry, and the properties of the universe. It is said that this knowledge was lost over time, but it was preserved in ancient texts and monuments. And if you're feeling generous, please consider supporting us through the provided means. Your support helps us continue to produce high-quality videos that bring history to life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. By studying these texts and monuments, we can gain a deeper understanding of the universe and our place in it. The main sanctuary of the temple is aligned with the rising sun on the summer solstice, creating a beam of light that shines directly on the central altar. This phenomenon is considered to be sacred by the local people, and it attracts thousands of visitors every year. One of the most impressive is the amphitheater, which has a series of steps that cast strange shadows at noon on the winter solstice. These shadows form a spiral pattern that some believe represents the Milky Way galaxy. Another amazing example is the twin pyramids of Maranga, which are two huge mounds of earth that are perfectly aligned with the solstices. It suggests that ancient cultures were more advanced than we give them credit for, and that they possessed knowledge that is still relevant today. If this is true, then there is much that we can learn from these ancient cultures and their understanding of the universe. It is possible that they had a deeper connection to the natural world, and that they were able to harness the power of the universe in ways that we are only beginning to understand. These pyramids are over 200 feet high, and they are some of the largest man-made structures in South America. During the solstices, the rising and setting sun creates a stunning visual display, making it a popular destination for tourists and locals alike. Whether you believe that the alignment was intentional or accidental, it is hard to deny the beauty and wonder of this ancient monument. The Great Pyramid of Giza is a reminder of the mysteries and marvels of the ancient world, and it will continue to inspire awe and amazement for generations to come. They point out that the pyramid was built over a period of 20 to 30 years, and it is possible that any alignment that was made could have been lost over time due to natural erosion and shifting of the sand. Additionally, they argue that the ancient Egyptians did not have a deep understanding of astronomy, and that their beliefs and practices were primarily based on religion and mythology. King Khufu with the intention of aligning it with the North Star to represent his eternal soul. This theory is supported by the fact that the angle of the pyramid's sides is almost exactly equal to the angle between the Earth's equator and the North Star. This suggests that the builders of the pyramid were well aware of the star's position in the sky, and they used it as a reference point when constructing the monument. This colossal monument has fascinated people for centuries with its massive size and mysterious purpose. But what if I told you that the Great Pyramid has a secret that has been hidden from the public eye for far too long? The four sides of the Great Pyramid are aligned with the four cardinal points of the compass: north, south, east, and west, with an accuracy of plus or minus 3 arcseconds. This level of precision is truly mind-boggling, and it suggests that the ancient Egyptians had advanced tools and techniques for surveying and measuring the Earth. It is believed that they may have used tools such as sighting devices and mercats, which are ancient tools used for leveling and aligning structures. These tools allowed the ancient Egyptians to make incredibly accurate measurements and ensure that the pyramid was constructed with the utmost precision. The shocking truth is that the Great Pyramid of Giza was intentionally built to align perfectly with the North Star, also known as Polaris. This celestial alignment occurs twice a year during the solstices, when the sun rises and sets in a way that creates a spectacular visual phenomenon. When this happens, it appears as though the entire Earth is pivoting on its axis. This truly is a sight to behold. The concept of the Great Pyramid being aligned with the North Star is a controversial one. What makes this alignment even more remarkable is the precision with which it was done. However, not everyone is convinced by this theory. Some experts argue that the alignment is merely a coincidence despite the controversy surrounding the Great Pyramid's alignment with the North Star. It is undeniable that this phenomenon is a truly remarkable one. But the Great Pyramid is not the only structure that aligns with the solstices. And let's not forget about the Temple of Keller, which is an ancient temple in Cambodia that is perfectly aligned with the summer solstice. The alignments found at these sites are truly remarkable, and they suggest that ancient cultures around the world had a deeper understanding of astronomy and sacred geometry than previously thought. These findings have led some people to believe that there was a universal sacred science that was known by ancient cultures around the world. The idea of a universal sacred science is a fascinating one. In conclusion, the ancient temples and pyramids that align with the stars and solstices are truly amazing structures that continue to fascinate people from all over the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time and space. It's time to take your learning to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content.